All right, back we go. Another video. Back we go. Another video. It's January 31st, Sunday. Let's take a look at silver. Big thing now, silver. We're hearing a lot of talk. Wall Street bets, Reddit community, other communities that they're going to pile into silver. Yeah, look at the volume down here. 128 million these last 2 days. Something is up here. You had the big run up from April to August. Yeah, the down move, and then you had that pretty much a typical descending triangle to a breakout. Now we're pretty high up on the chart here. Where are we going? Well, the low's been getting higher, so it's not dropping down, which is a good sign. Stochastics is going up. So, right now we got to get over 26 to that 27 level. Yeah, looks like we're going that way. I like the way the movement here is. Just reading some of the recent news on Finviz, 3 ways to play. Silver boom, silver rallies after Reddit post about executing a short squeeze. This could be all hearsay. No one knows. But, the trend has been up. So in this chart, you want this to hold right here. This pretty much is 23, which did. See these candles, these wicks that held? Right now we're at, that 25.48. We had to break that 25.50 and then get on to 27. You can see the movement here, this back and forth movement, though. I like this on silver. Just watch your stop levels, these candles, and we'll see what happens here with this big volume coming in on silver. And silver longer term, I'm talking months and years. I think silver is really looking good with all the pumping of money, printing money, the Fed. Gold and silver, they're finding their way back up here. There's no doubt about it. All right, here's gold. Gold has been in a downtrend. Just reading news, gold down, investors wait Fed policy decision. Not much going on right now, gold. So here's the move on gold. March with the big move up here, just dropped 140, got all the way up to 194, came back and forth. Then this looks like a giant flag, bull flag. You're moving up, and then you see this high. There's not many connection points here on this line. There's only two, because these gap a lot. See the gaps and all over, but I'm trying to make a line here. So look at this back and forth, back and forth. It does look like a giant flag, but where is it going to finally break through? How far is it going to drop? If we keep going down here, 155, 160, I would say would be the low before. Well, you want it to go higher from here, but I'm saying this could fall all the way back here, and then we could break up, which would still be okay. So we can see the move here. See this back and forth trend line channel. December was a good move up. I think that's a misprint, this tail, but we're right at 173. We're right in the middle here. We're going to break up here at 180 and finally break this, or come back, test this line at 164. We are oversold, so I'm expecting a move up at this point. You can see the divergence here, like it's bouncing. So I'm favoring along this. This is a giant flag at this point until it proves otherwise. So we'll see what happens with gold. And here's the other one, IAU, iShares, COMEX, Gold Trust. March, this was 14. This went up to 19 plus, 1950. Look at this back and forth, back and forth. Went up all the way to 1850, high cross. See how you play these two? Look at here. High cross at the top of the pattern. That is a topping pattern. Look what happens. It went down. So you get to know these candlesticks, what they mean. Oversold too. You're at 1760. If we start to move up here, I guess it's challenging 1850 at this point. This is at the higher end, so that's pretty good. Back and forth movement here. So this is another giant flag. Look at this. The low. We pull back pretty hard. That's a normal pullback. There's nothing crazy about this move, because we were at the high. Look where it went. It's been consolidating since August. What's this now? 5+ months. So I think we can get up here to 1850. We'll see if this is the move up. We're going to break up if gold still really starts to move. The market's been down. Maybe that'll change things. So it is IAU. So silver, IAU, GLD. Longer term on these, you could just longer term to, I mean, next few years, 5 years. Gold an ounce, what is it, about 1900 in that range? I could see us in a few years, 2500, 3000. The inflation, the printing of money. We're going to have some inflation. And, we've been printing money really since 2008, 2009. So it's like 10 plus years. So at this point, there's no doubt that with all that, gold's a good hedge. And that's why it keeps going up. And we keep printing and printing. And eventually, this major bubble is going to crash. You'll get another crash. 2000, we did 2008, 9. See, they were longer crashes. They were, a few years. We've had 18, I call it a flash crash, 2019 and 2020. They were all very strong moves to the downside, but they were fast. They were like months just straight down and bounced. They weren't like prolonged in a bear market, like, for a few years at least. So, we haven't had one of them in a long time. I think because the printing kept us alive, the printing of money. So eventually we're going to have that. Nothing lasts forever. Something will happen, some crisis again. But the last 3 years have been, a smaller move 2018, bigger drop 2019, even bigger drop 2020. And we have this big wedge form. So it's very volatile. The market's just not going up nice and easy. You're going to have big moves at this point. It's the world we're into. The internet, everything's exploding with trading. There's a lot of things going on now. It's not like before. Everyone's connected. Everyone has news immediately. So we'll see what happens in that. All right, please subscribe to Mike Heyman Trades on YouTube. Trade ideas in my link. Twitter, Mike Frank 007. TikTok, Mike Frank III. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. Stock Twits, Mike Heyman Trades. YouTube, hit the like button. Smash the like button. And I appreciate the support. And that's it for now. Peace.